Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Upwork profile for freelance work. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your Upwork profile for freelance work, start by visiting the Upwork website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. You will have the option to sign up with your email address or a Google account. Choose your preferred method and complete the registration process. Once registered, log in to your new Upwork account. Next, you will be prompted to set up your profile. Begin by entering your name and a professional title that reflects your skills. Next, provide a brief summary of your expertise and what services you offer. Be sure to highlight your key skills and experiences. After that, add your work history, including relevant job roles and responsibilities. Upload a professional profile picture that clearly shows your face. Then, set your hourly rate based on your experience and the industry you're in. Proceed to fill in your skills section, selecting. Once all sections are filled, review your profile for accuracy and completeness. After ensuring everything is correct, click the Submit Profile button for review. Your profile will be evaluated by Upwork, which may take some time. Once approved, you will receive a notification confirming your profile is active. You can then start browsing jobs and submitting proposals to clients. Remember to keep your profile updated with new skills and experiences as you grow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.